Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video I want to show you how you can get some done for you pens. I have a penning club and I just got finished with December's and I'm really happy with them. They are highlighting winter dashboard covers because I have a penning club, but it also gives you 5 PLR printables, including planner covers. I sort of honed in on that this month, and as you can see, these are the pens that match the printables, and I incorporated some vintage backgrounds there, and I love using Canva. I just love Canva. Canva and Creative Fabrica have made my life so much easier. And see, here's some winter covers for your planners. These are pens matched to PLR printables that you also get in the members area that you can resell. Okay, so I give you the printables and then I make these animated Pinterest pins for you every single month. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Whoops, not that one, I'm sorry. No. Here we go. Okay, so this is the penning club, and every month you get some really cute printables. Here's some for fall, and they're seasonal, which is awesome because people love to buy, you know, fall printables in fall. They love Christmas printables in Christmas, and some of these I did winter so that when Christmas passes you can still list your printables and use these video pins for Pinterest in the winter. But you will get, every month you get a new set of PLR printables and then the Pinterest video pins to promote them. And this is what they look like. And right now I have a coupon that makes it $17 a month. And every month you get printables and you can resell them as is. That's what PLR means. Private label rights to resell these as is. And so every month you get a new set of printables and then matching Pinterest pins. And it is so fun. So here's one right here. Let's see if it'll. Well, that one's not loading within this software, but it is really been fun to make these. Here's a set that you'll see in your members area, and as long as you stay a member, you can access every month, and it's just I think they're cute. I think you'll enjoy them, and again, you get the printables. You get the printables and the matching video print pins to use in Pinterest. So I think it's really a great deal. And again, there's a coupon that makes it $17 a month below this video. And I also made you a bite-sized video to show you how to upload your pins in Pinterest that I thought would be very helpful for you. So here's one of the fall printables that you will get. And remember, these come with PLR rights, meaning you can use them as is, and I think they're adorable, absolutely adorable. Fall bucket list and pumpkin calendar. So you get 5 PLR printables a month to resell as is, and then the matching video animated pins like the ones I just made for December. I'm having a little problem here with Canva loading, but anyway, I'm going to show you the ones for December, which are, I just thought it was so fun. I combined some elements from Creative Fabrica with the printables. And you know, you may not realize it, but Etsy shoppers love to buy dashboard covers. I didn't really know it was a thing, but it is. Dashboard covers, and that's what it's called. Dashboard covers, and here they are. Here's some examples right here. There's some really cute Christmas dashboards right there. Vintage, look how cute that is. 12 vintage Hollywood printable planner dashboards. And what it is, it's just a sheet that they can download on like stock paper or whatever size paper they choose. And then you can pop it into your planner. You just poke holes in it, punch holes in it, and put it in your planner. See, here's one. Really, really cute. Planner dashboards, autumn. So you can do it by season. Here's another one. Here's a cute one right here. There's another one, monthly dashboards. Okay, so this shop is making a lot of sales. And they're charging $10 for this dashboard. It's really, really cute. This planner shop has made 26,395 sales. Amazing. Okay. So check out the Pinning Club. And again, the link will be below. I can get the right place right here. Winter dashboard covers for your planners. This is what you'll see in December. And the dashboard planners look like this, and this, and this. And then other times you'll have weekly planners like these. And again, you can sell them as is. And they come with matching pins. So you get the printables and the Done For You Pinterest pins. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. If you have any questions, put them below this video, and I will get back to you. I hope you're having a great day. Bye now.